In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively insert and reveal two images, creating a fascinating visual effect that you can use in your presentations or other projects. This technique involves layering images and using animations to seamlessly reveal the one beneath, adding a dynamic and engaging element to your work. Let's dive right into the process. Begin by selecting the image you want to be revealed, which we'll refer to as the bottom image. Place it on your canvas or slide, ensuring it's positioned exactly where you'd like the final image to appear. This image should capture the attention and curiosity of your audience, as it will be revealed dramatically, creating an engaging effect. Once your bottom image is in place, you'll want to bring in the top image. This second image acts as a mask or cover over the bottom image. Carefully arrange this top image so that it precisely covers the specific area of the bottom image you want to conceal initially. Ensure that the top image fully obscures whatever part of the bottom image you're aiming to unveil later. To make sure your images are properly aligned for this effect, utilize the Arrange feature in your editing software. You'll want to go to the Order option and select Bring to Front for the top image or Send to Back for the bottom image, depending on the current layering of your images. This step is crucial for achieving the layered look where the top image sits perfectly above the bottom one. Now, let's add some animation magic to the top image. You'll do this by clicking on the top image and then selecting the Insert menu where you'll find animation options. Alternatively, you might find these under the View menu, labeled as Motion or Animations, depending on the software you use. In the motion pane that appears, you'll be able to add animation effects specifically to this image. Look for an exit animation, for instance, the fade out effect. This animation will allow the top image to gently disappear, revealing the image underneath when triggered. Adjust the animation settings to your preference. For a user-controlled reveal, selecting On Click as the trigger is an excellent choice. This option gives you the flexibility to decide precisely when the reveal occurs during your presentation. To enhance the unveiling experience, you might want to adjust the speed of the animation, making it smooth and visually appealing. Before finalizing, it's always good to preview your work. Use the Play Preview feature in the Motion pane to watch your animation in action, ensuring that everything looks just as you envisioned. During your actual presentation, you'll simply click or trigger the animation to showcase the top image fading away, revealing the image hidden beneath in a captivating manner. And there you have it, a simple yet effective technique to add an intriguing visual element to your projects. With practice, you'll be able to create stunning reveals that capture your audience's attention and elevate your presentations to new heights.